Okay, so welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Kevin Mangum. I'm a local realtor here in the Houston area. And today I'm going to be sharing with you this beautiful model home by Perry. This particular model home is located in the Stonecreek Estates. And Stonecreek Estates is located in Richmond, Texas. So Richmond, Texas is probably about an hour away from downtown. It's just south of Sugar Land. So I know a lot of times people want to move into the Sugar Land area, but Sugar Land is pretty much already built out. And so the newer development is kind of moving south, which is moving into Richmond, Texas. So the Stonecreek Estates is beautiful. It's a new development. It's been developing for a little while, but it's still a very fresh development going on. And this particular home that I'm showing you is the Perry's 2504 floor plan. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath. You can make it a 3.5 if you choose to add like a little powder room as well. Also, you have a 2-car garage, which can go up to a 3-car garage. This home particularly sits on a 60-foot lot. And Perry, nice, reputable builder. A lot of people love Perry homes. A lot of the clients I've served, especially new construction, that's one of the builders I like, which is Perry. Also with this subdivision, you can see that it has the theme of the Stony Creek. It has Dry Creek runs in the middle. That's the name of the creek. So it helps with retention, as well as a newer elementary. It's Don Carter Elementary right there in the middle of the subdivision. Junior high as well as the high school is not too far away as well. This particular subdivision, you'll be going to Lamar ISD, and you can look it up on niche.com and see the rating for as Lamar ISD. So with that being said, I hope you enjoy this beautiful model home by Perry, and you guys let me know what you think. So I hope you enjoyed the beautiful model home by Perry. The one thing I failed to mention at the beginning of the video is that Stonecreek Estates is going to be probably around 1,300 homes. So they're nowhere near done. So a lot of development continuing to be happening in Stonecreek. So if you have questions about Stonecreek, Perry, Richmond, Texas, or just anything related here in the Houston market, please don't hesitate. Give us a call, email, whatever best communication. We'd love to help you. We're helping everybody, as many people as we can, as they try to, figure out what makes sense for them and their family. We'd love to help you. So I look forward to talking to you guys soon. Have a blessed day.